tasty fruit wines, ready-to-drink cocktails, tingly semi-sparkling fruit wines, invigorating hot drinks. Dive into the wide world of fruity pleasure. Welcome to Katlenburger. In the heart of Germany lies Katlenburg. Set in the Harz foothills, this little town offers optimum conditions for outstanding natural products. This was also the opinion of Dr. Willy Demuth. In 1925, he established the fruit juice factory Dr. Demuth right next to his family's orchard. But in the first days of operation, a barrel of apple juice happened to ferment. This chance event was the birth of Katlenburger fruit wines. The unplanned product turned out to be a bestseller. More fruit wine innovations such as sparkling strawberry wine and the Hawthorn elixir Katlenburger Klostertrunk soon followed. From the beginning, Willy Demuth set the very highest quality standards. As the company grew, investments were regularly made in the latest technology, so that Katlenburger Winery was always able to maintain its lead in quality. Katlenburger fruit wines are made out of only the best fruit juices and fruit juice concentrates. Whether strawberry juice for our strawberry wine or blueberry juice for blueberry mulled wine, all berry and fruit juices have to meet the strict quality criteria of the EU. Each juice is tightly controlled by our in-house laboratory before it is allowed to become Katlenburger fruit wine. The winery is the heart of fruit wine production. Here the juices of domestic and exotic fruit are fermented in a way similar to that of grape vinification to produce Katlenburger fruit wines, and in some cases enhanced to obtain our trendy fruit wine cocktails. First of all, the fruit juices are thinned down to the drinking concentration, mixed with sugar and fermented to fruit wine using a special wine yeast. The yeast then converts the sugar into alcohol. The alcoholic fermentation process is constantly monitored by our own laboratory. In the separator, the yeast and fruit particles are removed from the dry, raw wine. The wine is then clarified and stabilized using the most modern methods and stored in large tanks in preparation for further processing. Katlenburger Winery has a total tank capacity of 4.5 million litres at its disposal. When the process is complete, fruit juices and sugar are added again to the dry raw wines to produce a fruity taste. In the phases of fining and flash pasteurization, the required stability is obtained. Beverage concentrates and fruity aromas give our cocktails and coolers their special character. Before a Katlenburger fruit wine reaches the supermarket shelf, it has to pass countless examinations and tests. Our efforts in achieving superior quality have been acknowledged for decades now in the form of numerous product awards by the German Agricultural Society. And the Federal Prize, the highest quality distinction possible for a company in our sector, has been awarded to Katlenburger Winery several times over. What is more, our quality management system is regularly audited and certified by the German Society for Quality to DIN ISO 9001 and the International Food Standard. This also confirms the safety and hygiene of our fruit wine production. For the bottling of the Katlenburger fruit wine beverages, we use only brand new disposable bottles made by German glass factories in a wide range of shapes. Immediately before filling, the bottles are flushed with sterile water under high pressure to remove any dust or other particles which might be present. After cleaning, the bottles are ready for filling. The fill quantity is continuously monitored electronically at the filling valve. The closure is then applied directly afterwards. During the filling process, the various steps are monitored and checked constantly. To account for the different product characteristics, Katlenburger Winery operates two separate bottling lines. The non-fizzy fruit wines and mead, as well as our fruity winter beverages, are bottled hot at a temperature of almost 60 degrees Celsius. On the other hand, the fruit coolers and cocktails need a special technology in order to be bottled under the carbonation pressure without the risk of foaming over. Together, our two lines can fill up to 300,000 bottles a day. The closed bottles are finished off with a label and a foil or capsule. This gives each product its very own distinctive appearance. To ensure that the products can be reliably identified and traced later, every bottle and every carton is marked with an individual batch number. This makes it possible for us to answer customer queries quickly and accurately. Our company warehouse offers space for about 2.5 million bottles on 4,500 pallet slots. This number sounds enormous, but is only enough for 1 month's production because we have to keep 100 different products in stock for our German customers as well as the worldwide markets. This shows just how wide the world of KATLENBURGER fruit wines really is. 10 company trucks, together with those of external forwarders, supply our German trading partners from the coast to the Alps. The decision to expand our activities to the international markets proved to be the right move. From the beginning of the 1990s, KATLENBURGER has been delivering the popular sparkling strawberry wine to sunny Australia. While the Japanese enjoy the multi-vita vino cocktail, our devotees in Russia's coldest city, Yakutsk, drink KATLENBURGER fruit mulled wines to warm up at minus 43 degrees Celsius. People in the USA are fascinated by our traditional KATLENBURGER honey wine. Every country has not only its own beverage preferences, but also its own statutory regulations, demanding great flexibility from us in manufacturing and bottling. Close teamwork with our importers is absolutely essential, and also necessary all over the globe, because KATLENBURGER fruit wine beverages have made their mark in almost all parts of the world. Right in the heart of Katlenburg, visitors can experience KATLENBURGER Winery firsthand at events and wine tastings in the historical home of the owner family. And our shop offers all KATLENBURGER fruit wine beverages for tasting and direct purchase. The fruity KATLENBURGER product range has much to offer. No matter whether you want to enjoy a cozy TV evening with fruit wine or honey wine, a summer party with zesty coolers and exotic cocktails, or warm yourself with a hot fruit mulled wine at the traditional Christmas market, KATLENBURGER has the right idea to suit any occasion and every taste. KATLENBURGER, the fruity pleasure.